Yesterday, I came across some new friends that said they want to learn faceless contents. Now, these are some of their contents. So, I promised I'm going to take them through this series. So if you're here, you're into homemade products, let's learn how to do this also so that you can be posting your products also in case you don't know how to do it. So faceless contents, what are faceless contents? Faceless contents are contents that you don't show your face. The way I'm showing this my face, you don't see it. You just post either your pictures, or you post text, or you make a video but your face is not there. I'm going to take you through this series. I'm just introducing it to you, okay? There are so many things you will do without your face showing. If you go to my YouTube page or even this page I'm using, most of my tutorial videos, you will not see my face there. Sometimes because I just want people not to, pick it and post on their page anyhow without, tagging me. I decided to just put my pictures there, and sometimes I will come up to say something. Otherwise, if I decided that today I'm not going to use my videos again, my face again, you will not see it. So I'm going to show some clips, just small clips of faceless videos here. Join me as I make these beautiful bar soaps. These soaps are made with natural oils. The reason is that they can be used to bathe. So the other time I traveled to the village through water. This time around I'm traveling to the village through land. We are very close to Port Harcourt, so we get to Port Harcourt refinery. Then after this, I'm going to introduce different types of faceless contents for you. Then after that, I'm going to teach you how you will do your own voiceovers, how you're going to make voiceover to your video. For example, I am selling these glasses, and I want to show people that these are the glasses I sell. And I decided that I'm not going to show my face, but I'll show them this glass. They will see it, and then I'll talk. This is what I'm selling. I want you to patronize me whichever way I want it. So we are going to get there. So this is just an introduction. So those of you that followed me because of this video that I promised I'll make, I am here for you. And those of you that are doing homemade products that are here with me, please, let's learn. I just pray we will not be distracted, okay? Let's add this to our tutorials. Thank you. See you in my next video.